Naisip ko ang adobo kasi it's easy to say. Kahit mga bata, pwede nilang sabihin adobo. But yung talagang dahilan po is because we considered national dish natin yung adobo.
Kung may babaguhin ka sa business, meron ba at ano yun?
Siguro po, hindi siya babaguhin. Pero mag-i-aim po siguro ng something bigger in 5 years time. We're aiming for Filipino restaurant, ganun. Adobo, eatery, Filipino eatery.
Bakit pala adobo Filipino food truck?
Naisip ko ang adobo kasi it's easy to say. Kahit mga bata, pwede nilang sabihin adobo. But yung talagang dahilan po is because we considered national dish natin yung adobo. Although it's not official. Madali siyang lutuin, recognized as national dish, and everyone knows, mga ibang nationalities, kapag dumaan sila, they know adobo. Kasi daw, meron silang mga ka-workmate na nagdadala ng adobo. Easy to recognize and it's our national dish. That's the main reason.
Introduce yourself and your business.
My name is Rosel, taga Pampanga po ako originally. Now, we're residing here in Canberra. We registered the business in 2022 and then dito po sa permanent spot namin dito sa Coombs. 1 year na po kami nung June. And then, we operate 7 days a week, dinner time, 4 to 8 p.m. As requested po yun ng kababayan natin. Salamat sa suporta!
Ano yung address ng food truck?
We are located here at Beecroft Street, Coombs, in Canberra. Malapit po sa Coombs Park na may ice cream. Tapat po ng Coco Building. Thank you po sa mga local resident dito na ating mga kababayan na nakareside dito sa suporta. And please follow and like our page, Adobo Filipino Food Truck.